Adamson in control of this match. In the meantime, that's something to look forward to. Saturday, 12:45 p.m. telecast. Friends, I'd like you to meet Hazel Sumampong. She's 20 years old. She's from San Juan City. She smiles when on cue, and she'll wave on cue. Trust me on this one. Because she has a Shakey's Pizza as our Shakey's face of the game. And one thing I have learned is it never will come for me. Ever. No matter what I say. Oh, look at this. Adamson just airtight. Defensively. Oh boy, I love watching Adamson when they play defense.
Yun naman ang specialty nila.
Kahit nung araw, no, sa UAAP,
you know
I love watching them play defense.
Hindi kasi sila masyadong nagkakaroon ng malalaking players. So, ganun si Mommy Dulce. That's why we like her. She will just make use of what she has and magpo-focus siya kung ano yung pwede niyang gawin doon sa team na yun.
There's a certain swagger and arrogance and pride, actually, when they play good defense. Something that they work on very hard, actually. I suppose, in practice. Here comes Pineda. Oh, well done. Just nicely done. She read that gap so nicely.
Yes, that's right. So, ano lang no? Perfect yung pagkakalagay ng bola. Perfect yung spin.
Pag nakita lang sa kanto na mata, butas. Hulugan ko kaya kayo.
Well, Pineda with 5 points now. So has Angela Benting.
In the meantime, the defense could not hold up on that particular key. And we're going to tell you again that it's time for Farm Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. I look forward to the new Shakey's Katipunan, which is now being renovated. My home.
Your home.
Yes.
Tama ka dyan. Hindi man second home, your home.
My home. So, no. Inari.
For the last two years.
Ay, 100 years. The meantime, wala na. Nahihirapan ang San Sebastian. Sa mind game, talo sila. Tingnan natin kung ano sasabihin ni Clint Velasco.
Ilang beses ko na sinabi wala kang katabi niyan. Sa'yo yung court paper. Ilang beses. Gusto nyo manalo, ngayon pa lang kumilos na kayo habang wala pa sa 20 yan. Isa-isahin nyo. Hindi yan? Service na naman sila. Re-receivein lang natin. Nasa hanap si Jeng. Bigay mo na lang ibigay doon. Coverage na natin yan.
Magkaroon tayo ha!
Big day here in the V-League as our 4 big teams get entangled with separate different rivals. UST Tigers against Lady Falcons, Bulldogs against Eagles. Be kind to animals day. That's a great day, Sunday.
Yep. Volleyball Sunday,
Yep.
this Sunday,
In
here
the
at the arena.
meantime, what's if you were to spot the first thing wrong about San Sebastian, what would it be?
Alam mo sa akin, in the last siguro 10 points, wala silang ginawa kundi tignan yung score sa taas. Body language says it all. Pero mo, maya tumitingin sila. So nakikita mo, wala, palaki lang ng palaki yung gap.
That's
Kasi
such a good
nagiging
observation.
conscious ka na di ba? Sa palayo na palayo, lalo ka nagkakamali. Kesa just do your thing, just play your game. Yaan mo na yung score na yan.
And Soriano wraps it into the net, and you know that's a great observation because as they look at the scoreboard, they're probably seeing the doom at the end of the tunnel rather than the light, actually.
Yep. Minsan nakakasama pa yan Instead of just focusing on your game, at the back of your mind, alam mo na it's a 6-point lead, 7-point lead, 8-point lead, diba?
And Adamson just doing a good job of finding the open spaces. Listana just a fraction of a second late, an inch too short.
And this is what you like about Sue Roses. Just yung pagka-veteran niya. Hindi, never say that ito
Good point,
They'll
yeah.
just always try to get you out of a deep hole.
One of the favorite imports of any team. Nene Bautista is probably the other one. As Guevara punches that over. Set up job. We go the other way with Pineda. Taas mo rin eh! Sabi sa'yo, taas mo eh. They were talking to Makatuno and Jennifer May Makatuno, unable to get it into the air. You know, she will have the forever advantage of just looking young for all the rest of her life. Life is unfair, I tell you.
May mga ganyan
Yeah.
talaga.
When Adamson has reunion, 30 years. Oh, what happened there? But you-
Total miscue.
Oo.
Sayang yun, no? Early celebration na sana for the Lady Falcons.
Yeah.
Hindi nila nakikita. Ongoing pa yung game. But San Sebastian wasn't able to capitalize on that.
Si Makatuno, 30 years down the road, I will no longer probably be here, that they will have reunions and she'll still look the same. In the meantime, that's a double block. That blocking is just impeccable despite the fact na nakalusot yun.
Si Jake talagang hiningi pa rin niya nung pagkatapos ng block na yun. She was asking for the ball. Nag-adjust ng konti. Went off the block. Got the point.
Let's see if San Sebastian stops looking at the scoreboard and would rather see at the people wearing Axel on the other side of the net, the official outfit of the Shakey's B League. Makatuno set to Benting. Hulit, bumapang sa net. Pag matama ang palo, kabor talaga sa'yo eh. We've got Portel and Emnas coming in for probably finishing touches of this second set. Makatuno and Paad take their seats.
Well, Makatuno, 10 excellent sets. Crisostomo on the other side. Half lang nun with 5.
Too far. Malaking gap. Crisostomo to Crisostomo. Wali, Listana got it in the air. Excellent libero work. Benting doesn't want to waste it. Lambiano got to it. Crisostomo. Wali got a point, although hitting that very nonchalantly. (16-23) as Jeng Bali will serve. Jeng Bali, the Thai guest player. Oh, nice effort, but just sloppy play by Adamson in that sequence.
That's right. In spite of non-jump serve from Jeng, nakakuha pa rin niya yung point.
And Jerry Meneses calling it that high.
Mag-receive. Sige nga, mag-receive doon sa gitna. Yung dalawang nasa gilid sa nakaharap. Doon na may receive. Nandito na yung bola eh. O, ilan receiver? 4 yan, o. Receive naman din yung ma-receive. 4 kayo mag-receive. Ha? Tara, isapat na tayo. 4 receiver.
Boy, Sherry Meneses, ano ba?
Narinig mo ba yun?
Ano? Alin doon?
Tatawa-tawa. Bawal tumawa.
Okay,
Oh.
sorry. In the meantime, huli. Last 3 points have been all basta eh.
Yup.
Sabi niya doon sa ni Sherwin siguro doon sa kanyang second unit na nasa floor. Ano ba? Pinalaro na nga kayo eh.
Kaya kailangan lagi kang prepared. Diba? Dahil anytime, pag tinawag ka, that will be your moment to shine.
Balik yung dalawa. Hindi matapos yung dalawang pumasok eh.
Dahil tignan mo yung score natin, nakakahabol na.
Dumikit eh.
Ang San Sebastian.
Choreography, posisyon. Si referee guard, sine-check agad ang rotation. That's hard to remember sometimes. Huh? Takes a trained eye.
What a mistake.
What a time for it to happen.
Yep.
24-19, and it is now set point. Adamson threatening to take a 2-0 lead in the number of sets. They took the first one, 25-21. Sultan is not yet done.
Here comes San Sebastian, pero flawless game for them in this set if they still want to hang on to this set. Sakay sa set.
Sorry, side man, 4 open. Open. B, tsaka C. Basta receive na lang yan, B, tsaka C, ha? Wala na yung B, basta B.
case you want to understand the Greek language that Sherman Meneses was talking about, he was talking exactly about the plays that they want to do
That's
offensively.
right. So yung quicker niya, gusto niya mag-B. Yung open niya, gusto niya mag-C. Ibig sabihin, maiiksing palo po. Hindi masyadong mataas na set.
Yep, let's not prolong the agony.
Let's see if they execute. Go
Yep.
for a... Ayan, B. To Soriano.
And now the C version forthcoming.
Correct.
Ulit. B.
A na uli. Puma.
Ay na-open eh, no? Hinulugan. Lestana. Benting. Naiinis na siya actually dito sa second set eh.
Oh.
Pinaluan kayo. Tinaas ni Pineda. Benting. 3-ball. Ang ingay na naman ng bayan. Palo. Benting. Kakain muna ako.
May Makatuno able to set that low first ball, and the result, Adamson takes this set.
And takes it to set to love lead in the best of 5 sets battle. Let's see if San Sebastian still has some fight left in them to extend this match. We take a look at this shake and play. Mainit pa, dinideliver sa inyo. Enjoy it. Back in a moment.